omo yense president ewo ne de vice president ewo ne de and a party no so ewo ne de na party no president de ende omo ma ne ka
ebusan for Ghana we are not easy but the empire we no tento last week me call Kumasi me call Kumasi na maybe say Ebanu Sena Ashanti region, center of Ashanti region. Na NDC 40 me win seat wa. Seat no crown. I say seat in there. Or Munjem. Asawase. Muntaka seat no. And I will be catching me say, oh, or what's them there and can view. I'm sorry, I'm a man can be. And I don't understand, say. I mean, typical Ashantis who vote for NDC. I mean, nah. And I say, okay, you know, I call if I'm going to call. I say, if we can me sister at home more, nah, I call. Let's say restaurant B or Chrome Honum, a restaurant, no, or didn't cry there. Is it Jaffe's or something like that? Okay. And see, driver no share. I say, okay, since I call home, he wants to take me through Asawase. And our branch here, once you do sa Asawase home nana, utmi who say, nukre, we ra NDC constituency. Who's the NDC for? There is some, sorry to say, about mediocrity. Mediocrity. When you run constituency, you say where the NDC constituency. Even say what Kumasi cry now to me because say there be where we in Kwandia NDC. Say na. Sorry to say, but the constituency is disorganized, and then if I don't. I mean, watch my words carefully. I might end up saying things I shouldn't say. But the reason because I said crash is saying anything. So looking at Muntaka's constituency and looking at the fact say, I need Juma Bia San or your constituency name. Just sending call for. Conscious in the moon now. Ni crowd from Kwan or conscious in the moon. I think I am voting man over and over. No. Now to come in here say Muntaka has presidential aspirations. Wants to become Flagbearer of NDC. So shocking and surprising. Now funny so. Very, very funny. She said, Flagbearer or NDC Moody. I have full farmer. Obia Soria. Our ambitions. Obia ambitions say NDC Moody. And Muntaka wants to become president. Ojavo.
Omo yense president ewo ne de vice president ewo ne de and a party no so ewo ne de na party no president de ende omo ma ne ka krokesim na aserengetia and a kokoko ngito and now ne ayemfo ngitwa no egodi nkomo ndi nyame na doma so oba pawade a ezo sanko abi okoye bia na onom godi nkomo bia no oko no akodo mase mbotan no so tiase so won tiase sa pepe and nchitubu no aba enti ene o east region encha wa Ashanti region sa pepe and now is sacred there yemfa so any free dey bia mekaze obia wa advantage oh yes nti sa nkomo no ibedi ho nkomo pa akwachiri na yeke enzabno chei when biem na ni diamba apart from the chief of staff mami vice president the dean Do you believe that she's also aspiring to be the flag bearer? Maybe some police maybe say, "Opa say we are IGP now." Or say police officer be anywhere. One person here IGP. Obia any one person here IGP. So I could do vice president there. And then they even has a own to be a president. Yeah.
Legend medasi na the mechanism me de me hu ni say enra Honorable Haruna Idusu said the microphone him say smart man no sa suban no da na di said the o can say for now enipa ye clear I will be animu ye Honorable Esiedu Nketia me can honorable because we the MP pen party chairman and number 2 say Honorable Atoforsen finance minister. And then I said that she be on also a coin of befa forms. And Matisse, a Asawase MP, current interior minister, a Honorable Muntaka so, and Grofo Dinko Mofahum. And my media said, okay, maintain no, say on one A2 and Mobi, and I would Dinko Mobi a Chrese, that she be Obe Frankatuni. But I said, Honorable Haruna Idusu Chrese, he's a smart gentleman, legend, straight. Positioner Honorable Haruna Idusu dinner no being education minister no maame na di bi pen and how di bi aso to nchen first female vice chancellor UCC enti maame ni pedigree no so that so ye vice president menyini se Haruna betimi akoka se o me bompa se dachi bi ase wo nkode ana me maba enti go mon be te so me bompa se nya me be bo na ba be ye president or ye oba odikai organ ha edikai first female president enti be dem hu ni se Haruna ne ono no beden ene no ye because legend say enro nkomo Haruna edi ni se o bompa se mami ba be ye first female president. Let's assume that meeting says mami na nya ama no one contest here e be den say jena no pokwa ma betima campaign etia Haruna Idusu clear. They are here because who didn't come on to them, but so on the empire born say, Oba Baye, Ghana man penny oba odikai. Excellences a whole corner or tawachi. And this a won't qua, then you be a better no. What done in say Kim, necessary Haruna Bekodia, Obenya Jin support. And baby so Maharuna and common name then say, my minute current vice president in Tino, a buying money only pay Brumu Penasem. And Ghana has won him say, oh, a Mabe Brace, almost advocate for feminism. Ye mama kwenya de mema be ma be.
Do you know how to play chess? Chess game. Chess.
Yeah, but me head the nimbo.
Nimbo anaso win share nimbo.
Me nimbo.
Straight. So damn near what unim to.
Oh, me talk fine.
Okay. The chess in here will lie. Okay. But in a chess game, no, a mind reading game.
Exactly.
Steps are the next step are some of Jema will open it
ahead of time.
Cry. So be two is here. Now Onya sure say Honorable Haruna Idusu. Because people are saying that in the NDC, it is not likely that the presidency will go to the north again.
Sure.
Because it has stayed there for some time now.
Sure.
So they might change. They might make a change. Say, okay, how about a south that also leading this time? This time, I north side. And he, Assyrian Ketia, south, chief of staff, south. My means south. It is also likely say yenya south nasa. Then I say a crossroad near Kopobi. And they don't think say or no the who see was say my mean grab I will bet you soon as or not as a running mate or maybe told he becomes the vice president.
Yeah, legend. In the Nkoma Edino, Nina say Adia Honorable Haruna Idusu ye and run. What did to na ye?
Yeah,
because said the can Minumi no say officially Jena no pokwaji mind dear or Meka that say Sakwanya bar or befa forms. But then Komubi and Enama Bontia Gan and Ibianim say Chairman General dear and one is say to our watch money on kind dear, but Chairman said the pointers are clear. Pointers near clear said okay, I call election away. ye man baby ono kokoye campaign enkunimu aba so kwa da say nye nkwa so no nkwa na eko when a political party wins legend say the onimu no enipa na de ko election o win no he's the leader of the party
omunya anya post omoya adwuma sami jamfi gold board one biem atofose minister of wanaka but you got the ones
that on this thank you to yechi
why
difficult
ones for some time now no oya very active am so office more.
Oh, okay.
Now remember Kaka Sami Jeffrey granting interview just last week said didn't get here thank you to no corner. He'll be surprised party funds and Omode funded a thank you to.
Exactly.
As part of the conversations on the media and the grantee, I can get the voice for you.
So
he will be surprised. Say a party no funds.
No, party
that's where a fuels the question say. Thank you, Towe. You know, ABI agenda for Frobi SH. Remember, say any point, and then probably I'll chip in one or two.
In the legend.
Why?
They must say change.
Legend. No. Say Evans, I want to point in a concrete. It means that any party Juma no Odi. Only party Juma, on one agenda, or the home chere, or cere blessings. A blessings or tissimo mabetanichi. And he said everyone's saying if somebody within the party, I would deposition gold board.
Are you saying, sir? Yena Sidunketia. Echo without the knowledge of the party. Is that what you're saying?
Oh, legend or say O2 Sanamono. Party Nagasa fractions be brabo. Bebre so when we are when comes to be actually. If you understand me, video you can say, or say a band one say, or better say a party now man discuss it.
On party no one.
Okay, home.
Navani.
And this all can't then it means that general a and the bidding. So I'm who say, and yet party now suma general. So party na suma na say some of you better.
O can say.
Oh, Evans over my voice into me. That's what best of government matter say. Party for ne be raise concern say. Omu who the interest or no go sorry say or kodase.
That's all.
Ghana for nyina nim say Canada Japan ye traitor. Oba MPP bu na o show bi o ye Judasa. Ono ane Canada Japan. Now the funny thing is say the social media and the followers don't frantically they've been trying to find another person na. Ya be lebu ni so no so ye traitor say na Canada Japan e be nya partner ha but emfa. Na me gidi say mu ko social media mu sa propaganda we ya Canada Japan the followers and basically Nkame responded to such childish, scruffy and unintelligent propaganda. But Nintia may respond and say, by way of this propaganda, no, Canada Japan followers are mama who must have been fancy tyranny corner in time. In fact, all my established gallows some hanging was so. Now, more Kai Bible, sending him man. I established a gallo saying sign what the Kaya was one. At the end of the day, no knew him and Angasana, yes, sign was so no. That is basically what is going to happen. In Tinya Botanic video, no one could see. Now, a year presentation, we measure Siama Wati, a year propaganda, the actual propaganda, these unintelligent dudes, a year of social media. Miria na fi Malay fact in a bed to expose all the misrepresentation of fact in a and try womb. Miria na fi ma hang ye can a Japan kasa, but Oman kasa Oman no asem. Intinya botre. Yan shasiem. Now, omo propaganda omo yan say in 2024. Muntini you in 2024. Omo say NLA na Samia Ukudano. Emma NDC MP for Adenta 50,000 Ghana cedis. Scanning you 50,000 Ghana cedis chicken chain 50,000 Ghana cedis say one fan koto motorbikes no farmer Ghana police for no more farm buying a year Adenta municipality for them. No almost say NDC MP no Samira Nua inti saadi we yinjina so na yen fan crucify Dr. Baomiam almost saadi we Emma Samira ye traitor. Emma Dr. Baomia a traitor. Now you see, as stupid as this sounds, they are making this argument. Now, yensha facts in Ankasankasa. Nedi kind, sa adiwe NC 2024. One picture now that's hormone. In fact, it's one of Canada Japan boys that we used to say do account to social media and they post here. Obesha woman yina no smiles. In 2024, no be no smiles. Into Asamono NC in 2024. What happened was that in 2021, Anna MP actual letter Ekoma Samia Ukuse robbery any some burglary activities Kosovo Adentan municipality na 7. In fact, NLA staff no more chroma ye victims, some are affected. NLA adwumayɛfoɔ a no mo te adenta mo ɛyɛ company bungalow mu ɔmo bɛkɔ adwuma ɔmo bɛba na ne yɛbu ɔmo dan ne awia ɔmo nneɛma ne ade nti ɔsɔ letter ne kɔma Asame Awuku no ana Asame say why not sadie we yɛyɛ ma yɛ ho NDC wɔ aban mu a ɔmo yɛ bi ma MPP MPs ɔkɔ baabi te sɛ GMPC a NDC wɔ aban mu a MPP MPs ɔmo kyerɛ ɔkɔ for support saa nso na NLA in time pass ɔmo aboa MPP MPs so it's not bad, and it's for the general good, it's for the general security of a entire municipality. Why not? Yeah. I know my MP no 50,000 Ghana cedis. Say one farm to a motorbikes. No farm Ghana police for 50,000 Ghana cedis. And yes, it can be in 2022, early 2022, and an MP Nico yes, our donation no. Emma the entire municipality police who are honum. Now, we share screenshot here or a poster UTV4 a make here in 2022, early 2022. We share comment section on the cry or more comment here no. As far back as 3 years ago, so it can never be said it was during 2024 elections in Asame Awuku Nesaisikam. Now, near Tosubi Mwesa what you say and say Asame Awuku and farm man because they say or Samira Bawumia. And a one farmer no because they say NDC MP. And a one farmer no so for election purposes. Maka said 2021 or the man 2021 now there wasn't any elections. And I've established so say MPP MPs NDC were being almost women support and a trite a BBI or honum bonibia in him. Now see we Samira Bawumia onye adwuma wo NLA. Sanso na Dr. Bawumia no onye adwuma wo NLA. And there is no established fact to say Samira Bawumia and Dr. Bawumia put in a word for a year MP no NDC MP no for them to give that MP that support. So none of them can be blamed. None of them can be said to be a traitor and say Judas whatsoever in MPP. It is an argument and I am collaging Yansa be a nim moon reason sending Marco school. Moon Cassati sebi, Munimu de monomon quine, and Ajomokoda Modasumi Moso diapa, Mamon Cassasem collar. Now, ya set a records in a readum. Yanti we a important. The principle like Kennedy Japan in the followers or my labor and say. Sawubua NDC ni against MPP, especially when it has to do with elections and what direct consequences on elections are. I see a chunwa boso. I see a do to social media near chunwa boso palm. Necessary MPP mono oko election mayen twa bama. That is the principle they've established. But this case, Yahoo said they didn't give that help to NDC person and as an MP as an MP for NDC, but it was for the general good and it wasn't for election purposes. Now, Yensha Kennedy Japan in 2023-2024, it's on record say Kennedy Japan spent millions to fund NDC parliamentary candidates. A classic example here na Koyo to unseat Eye Hawakumsen. Another one, a NDC MP, Muslim year,